One stock that's generally called the stock for all weathers, Asian Paints, it's up about 30% this year. So it's been clearly one of the stocks of the year and had a great showing last quarter. Mangalam, are we expecting an encore?
Not really, because firstly, Sonia, the second quarter for all the paint companies is seasonally weak because of the rains and stuff. Not a lot of people paint their houses and there is not a lot of construction activity that takes place. H2 is usually better. So keeping that in mind, there are three numbers to remember as far as Asian Paints, the second quarter numbers are concerned: 10, 18 and 23. On our poll throws up a total income growth of almost 10% at 4,140 crores. Margins are seen higher by 200 basis points around that 18.5% mark. So that's why I remember the number 18, and the net profit is seen higher by 23%, closer to that 500 crore mark. Though keep in mind the numbers might change because of Ind AS. So that brings us to the key expectation as far as Asian Paints number is concerned. That is the volume growth, domestic paint volume growth. Majority of the streets expects anywhere between 12 to 14%, double digits at least. That is primarily because the management has been iterating that they will expect double-digit volume growth going forward. But if the trend comes up for you, you'll see that the similar time last quarter, the company has the advantage of a favorable base as well. 8% was what they posted in the second quarter of last fiscal. But again, there are upside and downside risks to volume growth. Some analysts expect 8 to 9% growth given extended monsoons. However, some also expect 15 to 16% growth given earlier Diwali stocking by all the dealers, because channel checks do suggest that Diwali volumes are expected to be higher. Other than that, keep in mind realizations could be 2 to 3% lower because of crude prices, which are lower 6%, and watch for any acquisition announcement in the home improvement space, because the management has been bullish on that.
Oh yes, and they